With the XM Fax connector for Ricoh Smart Operation Panel, users can benefit from the many faxing features offered by XM Fax when using their Ricoh Multifunction device. Whether you're on cloud or off cloud, installing XM Fax on a Ricoh MFD is easy and secure. All you need is a Ricoh Multifunction device compatible with Ricoh Smart Operation Panel, an administrator computer on the same network as the MFD, and an XM Fax server that is reachable by the MFD. To install XM Fax on an MFD, first download and install the deployer tool from OpenText MySupport. Launch the deployer tool, then create a new configuration. Fill in the information of your XM Fax server. The information you enter will change depending on whether you're on cloud or off cloud. For this video, we'll focus on the cloud version. When you're using XM Fax Cloud, your fax service URL should look something like this, with your enterprise account name at the end of the URL. Here you can choose from 3 authentication methods: default user, fax server, and AAA. What you choose largely depends on your company architecture and policies. Default user means that users will never need to sign in when sending a fax on the MFD. All faxes will be sent using the XM Fax default account. Fax server requires users to sign in each time they send a fax on the MFD. Select AAA when using single sign-on, Active Directory authentication, or any other AAA authentication method. AAA authentication provides a better flow-through to the audit log and can give users a more personalized experience when using the MFD. For example, users will see their phone book and their specific list of cover pages. When you're done, save your configuration. Add the MFD on which you want to install XM Fax by entering its IP address, selecting the configuration file you just created, and entering any other relevant information. Now you can start the installation. Select the MFDs on which you want to install XM Fax. Retrieve the MFD status to make sure the deployment tool can communicate with the MFDs, then click Install App to deploy XM Fax. When the deployer app is done working, you will see a summary of the installation for every MFD you selected, and you're now ready to use XM Fax on your Ricoh MFDs.